Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the ultimate step-by-step pipeline to experience Minecraft Java Edition in complete room-scale virtual reality on your Meta Quest 2 headset using your home PC device. To link these systems together flawlessly without a single connection crash, you must first install the official Steam VR application onto your computer, alongside the specialized Vivecraft VR mod client. Once your desktop installation files are ready, put on your Quest 2 headset, navigate directly into your Universal Quick Settings dock, and activate Quest Link or launch Virtual Desktop to instantly stream your main PC monitor into your lenses. With the wireless environment established, open your computer desktop mirror, launch Steam VR, and open up your standard Minecraft launcher interface on your screen. Click directly into the Installations drop-down profile menu situated on the bottom left corner. Select your newly generated Vivecraft configuration build and hit the green play button. The game engine will automatically initiate a massive stereoscopic output rendering right into your Quest 2 lenses, completely immersing you inside a full three-dimensional blocky world where you can naturally break structures and fight off mobs using your physical motion controllers. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.